Hello everyone, welcome to the full course online. If your computer has a desktop like this one and you want to make it colorful, then we have to install the Microsoft Bind Wallpaper app. The installation is quite easy. There are two methods to do that. The first method is to install the Bind Wallpaper app from the Microsoft App Store. For that, open a computer browser and type apps.microsoft.com. Search for Bind Wallpaper. Select the top left Bind Wallpaper app. And click on the download button. Method number 2 is to open the browser. And type Bind Wallpaper in the search box. In the given list, click on bingwallpaper.microsoft.com. On this page, click the Download Bind Wallpaper button. Click on that. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it directly, or go to the downloaded location, and double-click the .exe file. The installation is quite straightforward. Okay. On this screen, it is suggested that you make Bind your default homepage. On this screen, you can see that the installation is complete, and you can see the Bind Wallpaper app in the bottom right corner. This wallpaper can be shared through X, through Facebook, can be sent through email, and the link can also be copied. Hover the mouse over this tiny picture to open a menu. Click on the link, and it will redirect you to your default browser. The browser shows the information related to the wallpaper. This part of the app is used to navigate the wallpapers. To bring back the previous wallpapers, click on the previous. And to bring the more recent wallpapers, click on Next. There are many collections of wallpapers in the Library section. Click on the Library and select whichever collection you like. Right now, the default one is Bind. At the bottom left side of the app is a gear icon setting, click on that. The first option is a daily wallpaper refresh. If you enable this button, it will change the wallpaper on a daily basis. If you don't like the wallpaper to be changed daily, turn it off. The second option is to show AI images. Some collections have AI images. If you don't like them, you can turn off this option. And all those images that were AI generated are gone. The third option is to learn more about the widget. The Learn More widget is visible on the desktop. If you want to disable it, you can turn it off. That's it, thank you very much.